Hi children, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to do the grammar exercises which is in page number 23. So it is the ninth lesson of your grammar textbook. It is in page number 21, 22 and 23. So this is the ninth lesson, that is apostrophe and S. So we already discussed about what are an apostrophe and S, how we can use the apostrophe and S, etc. So we can recollect the things that we already studied in our previous classes. So apostrophe and S we use to show belongingness, isn't it children? And most of the nouns, how we can add children? Yes, most of the nouns we have to add apostrophe and S. But some nouns which are ending in S, we just add only an apostrophe at the end. Okay, so the exercise which is in page number 23, that is F, we are going to do now. So all of you please take your grammar textbook, it is in page number 23. So I told you to do as your homework, and you have to check the answers also. So we can go through the exercises. The question is exercise number F. Rewrite these sentences using only apostrophe or an apostrophe and S. So some sentences are given. By reading the sentences carefully, you have to identify whether we have to add an apostrophe or we have to add apostrophe and S to the sentence. And also we have to rewrite these sentences in correct manner. Okay, so this is the question. So are you ready children? We can go through that. First one, the question is, we should always follow the advice of our parents. So which one is underlined here children? Yes, the advice of our parents is underlined in the sentence. So we have to rewrite this sentence as, we should always follow our parents' advice. So parents, this noun here it ends with a S. So what we have to add here children? Yes, we have to add only an apostrophe, that is after parents. So the correct answer is, we should always follow our parents' advice. Second one, there was a chemistry book in the hand of the teacher. So which part of the sentence is underlined here children? Yes, very good. Hand of the teacher is which shows the belongingness in this sentence. So we have to rewrite the sentence as, there was a chemistry book in the teacher's hand. Okay, so the correct answer is in the teacher's hand. After teacher we have to put an apostrophe and S. Third one, two assistants also had their seats in the office in which the manager sits. So the correct answer is, two assistants also had their seats in the manager's office. So here which part of the sentence is underlined here? Yes, the office in which the manager sits. So what we are calling this room children? The office in which the manager sits is known as manager's office. So the correct answer is, after manager you have to put an apostrophe and S. So the correct answer is, two assistants also had their seats in the manager's office. Fourth one, somebody ran away with the purses of the ladies. So purses of the ladies is underlined here, which shows the belongingness. The correct answer is, somebody ran away with the ladies' purses. So ladies, the noun ends with an S. So we have to put only an apostrophe after ladies. So the correct answer is, somebody ran away with the ladies' purses. Fifth one, the teacher is checking the notebooks of the students. So the notebooks of the students shows the belongingness. So we have to rewrite the sentence as, the teacher is checking the students' notebooks. So the noun students ends with an S. So we have to put only an apostrophe after the word students. Okay children. Sixth one, the uniforms worn by the waiters should be neat. So, which one is underlined here, children? Yes, uniforms worn by the waiters. So, the correct answer is the waiters' uniforms should be neat because this belongingness shows it is waiters. So, after waiters, the word ends with a S. So, we have to put an apostrophe only after the noun waiters. So, the correct answer is the waiters' uniforms should be neat. Last one, that is the seventh one. The pencil used by the artist was very sharp. So, the part which is underlined here, pencil used by the artist. So, how can we rewrite this sentence, children? Yes, very good. The artist pencil was very sharp. So, here what we have to add? We have to add after artist, we have to add an apostrophe and S to the sentence. So, the correct answer is like this. The artist pencil was very sharp. So, this exercise you have to check your answers and you have to complete this also. So, by this exercise we completed our this lesson, that is the 9th lesson, and apostrophe and S. So, all of you should complete this exercise in your textbook and I will check during our online class. So, that's all for today. Thank you, children.